Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I'm going to explain Cognizant Process Specialist Data Role from Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Qualification will be B Tech, MC Arts and Science graduated, and responsive business and customer, project process, ensure and documentation. In the absence of PLTL, performance tasking will be assigned, knowledge management, people team management, must have skills in MS Office, account payable, good to speak in English, shift will be date top, travel now, post job in 26 only, full time employee they are asking. These are their roles and responses. Just want to apply here. After having creating account, you just start to upload your resume. If you have any doubt in that, just comment me. And next one will be Walmart software engineering 2 role. The description will be C, C++, Java, location, Bangalore, Karnataka, post date 26, education, B, any department can apply. Designation, software engineering, job description, Bangalore, Chennai. Could have programming knowledge in C, C++. Currently, Bachelor, Master Engineering, graduate in 2022. Score of 7 above all semesters, and good knowledge in database, algorithm, programming. And this all there. Your responsibility, your opportunity with your burden you have deeply, nothing about them. For 2022, you can apply. If you have any doubt in these two companies, comment me in the comment section. I'll provide the link in the description. Don't worry, guys. Thanks for watching.